The UK reports 60,000 pipeline and cabling strikes annually, leading to hundreds of injuries and fatalities, criminal prosecutions, recorded fines of up to £600,000 and company reputations destroyed. To help address these issues, we are introducing high value assets on flexible rental and contract hire packages. The new suction excavators we are now supplying use negative pressure to deliver outstanding results. Not only are they 16 times more efficient than manual labour, but they minimise conventional excavation costs while significantly reducing the risk of damaging any buried utilities. Worldwide trends in increasing urbanisation only amplifies buried cabling and pipeline networks, which in turn creates business opportunities in ongoing maintenance and new developments. For optimal results with minimal risk and protected capital on your next project, consult with one of our experts.